In this video, I'll provide a step-by-step tutorial on how to write in traditional Chinese characters. You will learn what 部首 Chinese radicals are, how to write 部首. A character looks like an ear, and we call it 左腹右翼. How to say a capital in Mandarin Chinese. Chinese characters sometimes look complicated, and you might not know where or how to memorize them. I'm here to provide a beginner-friendly content and help you learn little by little. Based on the Kangxi Dictionary, I create a series of videos about the most commonly used Chinese radicals. Let me explain what 部首 Chinese radicals are. A Chinese radical, we call it 部首, is an indexing component in Chinese characters. Radicals relate to the meaning or the sound of the characters, and we look them up in the dictionary. When we equip ourselves with the knowledge of Chinese radicals, it will allow us to understand the Chinese characters better. Sounds good? You are in the right place. I'll show you how to write 部首 next. 部 means a part or a section. We can divide it into the left part, 婆, and the right part, 翼. 婆 means mouth spit out, and it's phonetic of 部. We don't use 婆 alone in modern times. Do you notice the right part of 部 looks like an ear? What's that? Let me explain to you. 翼 is an interesting radical, and the shape is like an ear. It may appear on the left or right part of characters. If it's on the left, we call it 腹, and it means a dam. If on the right, we call it 邑, and it means a city. For more information, you may check radical 170 腹and radical 163 yi on Wikipedia. I'll leave the link in my description box. To quickly memorize it, we say 左腹右翼. 左 is left, while 右 is right. You'll see it often in your future journey of writing Chinese, and I recommend you memorize it. Okay, get back to our practice and write 部 with me. Shǒu is a head, and 首 itself is a radical. Shǒu is a pictograph, and it's a head with hair on top of it. Since it's a head, and its symbolic meaning relates to the top or the first, 首都 is an example. 都 means a city, and 首都 is the capital. Do you notice that the same 翼 shows up on the right part again? I hope it will help you remember 部 and 都 together. It's the end of my introduction to Chinese radicals. Let's check them again. They are 不, 手. I'll start my Chinese radical series with the most popular radical, 140, 草, grass. There are so many Chinese characters with 草, and I'll select some with detailed explanations. Are you excited to learn more? Make sure to stay tuned. See you again soon. Bye bye.